Imagine this. The moment you purchased your new Ford truck, your Fourth Amendment rights vanished. Your unique facial features, your racing heartbeat, your most intimate conversations, all harvested, stockpiled, and secretly fed to insurance giants. Crash your truck? That very machine becomes the star witness against you in court. This dystopia is cleverly disguised within the fine print, and today we expose it all. Welcome to the ownership illusion. Consider a question no smiling salesman will ever ask. After you hand over your hard-earned cash, sign the dotted line, and drive away, what do you actually own? You possess the cold steel. You possess the roaring engine. You own the leather seats, the rugged tires, the truck bed. The physical shell is undeniably yours. However, a 2024 truck isn't merely metal and rubber anymore. It's a hyper-connected surveillance hub. Packed with hidden cameras, relentless sensors, and silent microphones, it maintains a constant cellular pulse, streaming your life to invisible servers, hidden in secret locations, dictated by shadowy terms you've definitely never read. Here's the chilling reality Ford dares not advertise on a glowing billboard. The digital exhaust your vehicle generates. Your facial expressions, the cadence of your voice, the rhythm of your heart, your exact coordinates, your driving habits, and even your deepest emotional states belongs entirely to Ford. Furthermore, Ford's newly filed patents reveal exactly the dark future they have planned for your personal data. Granted, a patent isn't a finished product yet, but it acts as a bold declaration of intent. It is a corporate giant standing before the U.S. Patent Office proclaiming, "This is our master plan. This is our unyielding direction. This is our absolute right." And what Ford claims is their right inside your personal sanctuary should freeze the blood of every hardworking farmer, every rugged rancher, and every free citizen in America. Because this was never about your safety. It was always about absolute data supremacy. And currently, you are losing. Let's dissect Ford's filings, patent by terrifying patent, because the devil truly is in these details. Prepare yourself. First, the patent transforming your truck into a mobile interrogation room. Ford Patent 0104469. Write that number down. Verify it yourself, because this nightmare is neither theoretical nor subtle. This document outlines a ruthless system capturing your deepest biometrics, your facial geometry, your unique iris, your fingerprint, and cross-referencing them against global criminal databases instantly, all while you relax in your own driver's seat. Before you even touch the gear shift, before committing the slightest infraction, your personal vehicle is already acting as a police informant, scanning your face against law enforcement watch lists. And the most shocking part? Ford's own lawyers proudly wrote this into their application. They specifically touted this intrusive technology as a tool for law enforcement. This isn't media spin, it's Ford's official pitch to the US government. Let's confront the grim reality of what this actually looks like on an average Tuesday morning. You step onto your peaceful driveway and slide into a truck you legally own, resting on land you proudly bought. You haven't moved an inch or done a single thing wrong. Yet, at the dawn of an ordinary day, your very own machine is actively interrogating your face, probing your iris, matching your biological signature against vast criminal networks, unilaterally deciding if the police should be summoned to your location. Ford's PR machine will claim this is purely for your protection. They'll spin it as advanced anti-theft tech, ensuring only the rightful owner takes the wheel. But here is the fatal flaw in their logic. Why would a simple safety mechanism demand access to a police criminal database? Stopping a car thief doesn't necessitate a deep dive into someone's rap sheet. Verifying a driver never requires bouncing an iris scan off an FBI mainframe. The singular, undeniable reason to hardwire biometric checks into law enforcement grids is to actively collaborate with the police. Ford explicitly admitted their true customer in their patent. You simply didn't realize you were financing your own private patrol car. To the fleet owners, farmers, and ranchers, consider the catastrophic impact on your crew. Think about employees with complex pasts. A long-forgotten charge, a falsely dismissed case, an ancient mistake. Your truck doesn't understand nuance or human context. Your vehicle is deaf to your life story. It simply executes the scan, calculates the verdict, and immediately reports you. This is the draconian system Ford formally patented. This is the surveillance state they are eager to construct. And this digital warden will be parked in your driveway unless we fight back now. If this revelation shocked you, hit that like button and subscribe to fuel our fight to 100,000 truth seekers. Thank you for standing with us. Next up, insidious lip reading, invisible sound waves, and the covert recording of your most private moments. We must discuss the lip-reading patent, a terrifying invasion of privacy that demands the spotlight. Ford patented in-cab cameras meticulously trained on advanced, machine learning lip movement algorithms. This silent watcher observes your mouth's every twitch. It decodes your spoken words and instantly uploads them into the vast cloud, not to a local hard drive you control. It vanishes to a remote, unseen server, analyzed by a black box algorithm you can never challenge, and hoarded indefinitely at Ford's absolute discretion. You're probably thinking, fine, I'll just slap some black tape over the lens. Ford outsmarted you. They engineered a backup, acoustic lip reading. This sinister mechanism blasts inaudible, high-frequency sound waves throughout your cabin. These waves ricochet off your face and lips, allowing the system to interpret the echoes and decode your speech. It's completely invisible. It's entirely silent, and no amount of tape can blind it. It's happening continuously, like a ghost in the machine, every single time you start the engine. But it gets worse with their ad-listening patent. This tool eavesdrops on every single occupant in the vehicle, not just you, but your entire family. It weaponizes your intimate chats to bombard you with laser-targeted advertisements mid-drive, using their exact phrasing, not mine. Ford aims to forge maximum opportunity for ad-based monetization. Yes, that is how this multi-billion-dollar corporation views the sacred privacy of your private conversations inside your own vehicle as a massive cash grab. The most infuriating part? Their lengthy patent lacks a single sentence about protecting your deeply personal data. No robust encryption protocols, no ethical deletion timelines, no strict access barriers. Absolutely nothing. They meticulously mapped out how to harvest and exploit your conversations for profit, but utterly ignored how to safeguard them. Because security was never the objective. Endless monetization is the end game. So, next time you discuss a sensitive medical scare with your spouse, hash out a business deal with a partner, or comfort your kids in the passenger seat, remember this. In a connected Ford, your private life is the product, and you are merely the inventory. Enter the ultimate betrayal, the kill switch. This one is devastating for anyone relying on their truck for survival. Ford patented a deeply invasive system using biometrics to constantly evaluate your physical and psychological state. If its cold logic judges you unfit to operate the vehicle, the transmission locks. The machine takes command, stripping you of control. Naturally, Ford will market this as a miraculous safety breakthrough. They'll boast about ending impaired driving and saving countless lives. In a flawless, utopian reality, perhaps that noble argument makes sense. However, our world is violently unpredictable, and this technology is perilously flawed. Picture this nightmare scenario. A catastrophic emergency strikes your ranch. A gruesome equipment accident demands immediate, life-saving action. You sprint to your truck, violently throwing open the door. Your heart is hammering against your ribs. Your pupils are dilated. Adrenaline makes your hands tremble. A completely natural, human, biological response to pure panic. But your engine refuses to engage. Why? Because an emotionless sensor flagged your skyrocketing pulse. Because a camera deemed your frantic, wide-eyed tension a risk. It misinterpreted a desperate hero's normal stress response as a severe impairment. The very workhorse you bought to survive is now paralyzing you, mutating into your greatest obstacle precisely when seconds separate life from death. This isn't dystopian fiction. Ford already deploys telematics, a system granting corporate fleet managers real-time, live-stream access into their drivers' cabins. The Orwellian infrastructure is fully operational right now. Interlock control mechanisms are already documented across Ford's internal literature. The total control kill switch isn't a pipe dream, it's the inevitable next phase. And corporate greed ensures the next phase always arrives. Consider the true victims here, not the casual suburban commuter stuck in gridlock. This destroys the rugged contractor, the isolated farmer, the relentless rancher. People whose livelihood hinges on explosive, unhesitating action. They shouldn't have to beg a silicon sensor array, coded by someone who's never touched a working ranch, for permission to drive. These intrusive cages weren't designed to empower you. They were engineered by elites, completely disconnected from your gritty reality. People whose greatest physical challenge is navigating a sleek parking garage. Yet, they are violently rewriting the rules for our lives. Let's expose the venomous data pipeline feeding directly to your insurance company. Follow the digital breadcrumbs, because this is where the financial bleeding begins. Ford's telematics isn't just a dusty patent. It is a thriving, live platform aggressively auctioning your behavioral metrics to massive insurance conglomerates. This isn't speculation. It is their literal, published marketing copy. They wrote it, and they brag about it. Here's their lucrative assembly line. Your truck ruthlessly strips your data. Your expressions, your pulse, your hushed lip movements, your conversations, your erratic braking, your emotional vulnerability, all beamed directly to Ford's massive cloud. Ford then leverages lucrative data agreements with greedy insurers, serving your personal profile on a silver platter. Your skyrocketing premiums or denied claims are dictated entirely by your truck's treacherous whispers. You cannot view this secret dossier. You cannot fight the algorithm. You cannot provide human context. The cold data is the supreme judge. Imagine a legal scenario. Police issue a subpoena, and suddenly, the harrowing 90 seconds before your crash are digitally resurrected with terrifying precision. Every microscopic movement your truck recorded in those fateful final moments becomes irrefutable evidence. Your trusted vehicle morphs into the star prosecutor against you. And here is the agonizing twist that makes Ford invincible and ruins your life. You legally consented, not through a fair negotiation, but via an invisible terms of service pop-up hidden in your dashboard screen. An impenetrable labyrinth of legalese, masterfully crafted by corporate lawyers, buried beneath 40 pages of jargon with a simple agree button. You clicked agree. You didn't realize you were slaughtering your Fourth Amendment rights or consenting to a massive evidence collection. You merely wanted the navigation to function. That's exactly how they trapped you. They completely bypassed a physical search. They didn't even require a judge's warrant. They simply engineered a luxury product you literally cannot operate without yielding your fundamental freedoms. They rebranded total surrender as consent. Your name sits proudly on the title, but they own the digital gold. In any courtroom or insurance battleground, data is the undisputed king, and your truth is whatever your truck declares. This isn't some distant warning about the future. This Trojan horse is idling inside the truck they're selling you today. Do you still blindly trust these automakers, or has the industry crossed an unforgivable line? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this wake-up call ignited something in you, smash that like button and subscribe for more hard-hitting auto content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.